This is how to transfer crypto from Binance to MetaMask. This is my MetaMask wallet, and you can see the balance is 0 Binance native token, that is BNB. You can see it here. The objective is to transfer funds from Binance to this place. So you go to Binance. This is the inside of my Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to create your account. If you use my link, Binance will give you a gift of $100. As soon as you created your account and you log in and you fund your account, you come to this place. You can click dashboard. You can see this is the amount I have on Binance, $3. I want to transfer this amount to this place. To transfer this amount to MetaMask, I will click withdraw. This withdraw. Click withdraw. This is where you choose the coin that you are withdrawing to. That is your target coin. The fund is on my Binance token. That is Binance native token. You search for where the money is. My money is here, so click this one. So you scroll down. This is where you put the address. So you have to go to your MetaMask to copy the address. This is MetaMask, and you can see on MetaMask we are on Binance network. This is where you select network and you add network on MetaMask. We've pasted the address from MetaMask, which is this address. So you go back to Binance, you select the network. This place is very important. Please ensure your receiving platform support the token and network you are withdrawing to. We are using BEP20, Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and you can see this is the fee and it takes 3 minutes. So we select this. The network you select is BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain. Please confirm that your withdrawal address support BNP. I'm sure. To be sure you are using the same network, you come to Coin Market Cap, because the objective is to get rid of this jump token. This Binance Smart Chain BEP20. So that assure you that you are using Binance Chain BEP20. Then this is the amount and withdraw the total amount. This is the total amount I'm withdrawing. So all I need to do is to click withdraw. Ensure you check the wallet very well, beginning of the wallet and the end of the wallet. So after proper checking, you click withdraw. You confirm that you are sure. You can see it's very important to be sure that you are on the same network. You click confirm. This is the address. This is the smart chain. That is the network. This is the amount, and this is the fee. Source funding wallet. So you click continue. So I'm going to do the authentication and get back to you. You can see after the authentication, the transfer from Binance to MetaMask has gone through. Withdrawal request submitted. This is the inside of MetaMask. You can see the funds is already here. $2.71, and you can see this is MetaMask, and you can also see here this is the funds from Binance. You now know how to transfer crypto from Binance to MetaMask. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. The next video will take you through how to claim free money online. That is the video you see up here, while this one will take you through how to make money online in a unique way. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.